Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change LLC address in Texas. So all you have to do is head over to SOS, that's .tx.us. And from this page, just head over to the search bar, then search for correction, then just press enter. So from the search results, just scroll down until you see amendments and corrections frequently asked questions. So from here, just scroll down until you get to this section that says LLC or PLLC. And from here, you should be able to see a link that says update the address with the comptroller. Just click on this link. You will then be redirected to a form where you can change mailing address or phone number for franchise tax. So all you have to do is fill in all the necessary information such as business name, phone number, taxpayer name, email address. You're also going to need to provide any of these three types of identifiers such as taxpayer number or comptroller's file number or Texas Secretary of State's filing number. You're also going to need to answer two security questions and enter in your new mailing address. Enter your street or post office box, city, state, zip, and new phone number. Also, here in this field, you're going to need to fill in submitted by name, business title, and submitter's email address. Then, once done, just make sure that you tick this CAPTCHA box, then click on Submit Form. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.